Today I will share how to make football number pop-out effect in Canva. So let's start with it. And first I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and here I will write 9. And after that I will just change the text to sports world, the font to sports world, and after that duplicate it, and here I will write 4. Okay, and I will just bring them closer, Control plus A to select both of them and just make it bigger. And after that select this 9 and move a bit, and after that just mark the ends here, and after that duplicate the page and select both of them and move it. Hold on this shift key to move it 3 times, and now it's done. Now let's come to the first page. So I will come to elements here, and here I will search for American football player. Okay, and after that scroll down to find our image, and I will use this one. Okay, and just right click it and go to layers, bring to front. Okay, and just decrease the transparency, and after that I will just bring it here and just make it slightly bigger like this. Okay, and after that just select this image and change the transparency to 100, and after that go to edit and scroll in Magic Studio to find Magic Expand and click on whole page, click on expand. So this one looks good, and I will click on done, and after that I will click on BG remover to remove the background. So the background is removed, as you can see. Now we are left with this image. Okay, just click on Ctrl plus X to cut this image and click on add page and use it here. Okay, and as the background is missing, so we will be needing to use a background, and for that I will write here football ground. Okay, and I will search a suitable one. Let's use this one and right click it, set image as background. Okay, let's make it slightly bigger. Okay, and after that just download all the 3 pages. Click on share, click on download, and make sure all of them are in PNG and click on download. Now when the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload all the images which you just created. Okay, and separate out the layers, make them small so that it gets easier to understand all the 3 layers. Okay, and after that I will just scroll down to find apps, click on here and write blend and use this first app. And for the bottom layer I will use this one first time. Click on use selected image, and after that please make sure the blend mode is in screen. If you have any other blend modes, like for default it is normal, change it to screen here and then use the top layer. Okay, for the top layer I will use this player image and click on it. Okay, and click on add page and click on add to design. and after that I will just make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and click on add page, and for here I will change the bottom layer here, and this time I will select this 94 one. Okay, and I will just add it here. And for this 94, first I will go to BG remover and use it. Okay, and for the next one I will use for this one. Okay, so when both of them are done, I will use this one, which is the second one, and click on edit, go to adjust and decrease the brightness, decrease the contrast, decrease the brightness a little bit more. Okay, and work on the shadows and also the blacks, increase the blacks a bit. Okay, and slightly increase the whites. Okay, so when this one is done, now select this layer, click on Ctrl+C to copy it and paste it here. So like this, so it creates a hollow layer. As you can see, a hollow 3D layer it is created here. So this is what I wanted to create. So the numbers are ready. Now to make the pop-out effect, I will be needing the player image, and for that I will use this player image. Click on Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it here, and after that just crop it till here. Okay, and another time just duplicate it, and this time only work on this part, this hand part. Okay, so now it is ready, as you can see. So to middle it, now click on Ctrl+A to select all the layers and bring it in the middle. Okay, so the design is ready, and now in this way you can create this number pop-out effect in Canva very easily. So if you have any doubt regarding this design, please make sure you comment in the tutorial video so that I can understand in which part you are facing the problem. If possible, you can also mark with the timestamp so that it gets easier for me to understand the specific problem and help you accordingly. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.